In today's video, I'll show you how to customize Calendly branding step by step. Customizing your branding helps create a more professional booking experience by matching your scheduling page to your business identity. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon and open the Account Settings section. Next, navigate to the Branding or Profile Customization area. Depending on your plan, you may see options for logos, colors, and booking page appearance. Start by uploading your company logo or professional profile image. This image will appear on your scheduling page and in certain booking communications. Next, update your display name and profile information to ensure clients see the correct business or personal brand when booking. Now, customize your brand color settings if your Calendly plan supports it. Choose a color that matches your website, logo, or overall brand identity. This color will typically be used for buttons, highlights, and booking page elements. After that, review your event types. Open each event type and customize the event name, description, and confirmation messages so they reflect your brand voice and clearly explain what clients can expect. You can also customize your booking page by adding a professional welcome message, business details, and scheduling instructions. If you're embedding Calendly on your website, make sure the embedded scheduler matches your site's design and layout for a consistent experience. Next, preview your booking page to see how it appears to visitors. Check that your logo, colors, descriptions, and branding elements are displaying correctly. Once you're satisfied, save your changes. Before finishing, open your public booking link in a private browser window and review the full booking experience from a visitor's perspective. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Calendly branding and created a more professional scheduling experience for your clients. And that's how you customize Calendly branding. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.